Kumasenze nanke namla tsamde dashi deleshu. Minnesota mimo namla seda shuju. Sakya chuso Thupten Dargye Ling jamgun koma chichin doji choncho peluji gongde jeju pepi jatenji tunkaji kote shuyepi mimo namba gomo nyamshu nacho yopershu. Tunkaji tuse di silo ngeto nye sabji senda gupi tse du reza pembi gongde chuzenga wala zego ngoso uzutang soyu sikon sawa Isanti layin. Zego kapso jamgun koma rinpochi Septen songden tang luga rikshon chapten gorje gongzho shelaji gorje kangle shuye. Tejeche.
Namaputaya Dashidale. On behalf of the Minnesota Sakya Center, I would like to extend a warm invitation to the public for the community celebration of the 80th birthday of His Holiness, the Great 41st Sakya Komoro Muche, on Saturday, September 7, 2024, from 5 p.m. onwards at the new Thupten Center in Isanti. The entry is free for all. The program will include cultural songs, dance performances, gorshe, and prayers for long life of His Holiness. Vegetarian dinner will be offered to all of the participants, so please make sure to book this date with your family and friends. Can't wait to see you all. For any further queries related to the program, please contact Kimbola or Chunila. May His Holiness, the Great 41st Sakya Komoro Muche, live a long and healthy life and to turn the wheel of Dharma for the benefit of all sentient beings in the universe. Kachinam.